Aave truly is a coin that especially is right now exchanged at $94.02 per unit, with the market capitalization of $1,376,194,950, that truly makes it a mid-position digital money, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Computerized resources like Aave have currently commonly turned into the point of convergence of consideration for pretty retail financial backers and examiners, yet additionally for in every practical sense. Huge institutional financial backers who in a real sense see Aave and the remainder of digital currencies as a truly compelling support against expansion that takes an especially weighty cost for the worldwide economy, which basically is very critical. So, we should zero in on the Aave market, its sort of current standings, as well as the mid-term and really long-haul cost expectation that generally depends on the readings of our sort of restrictive crypto unpredictability file, CVIX, or so they thought. Right now, the cost of Aave generally remains at $94.02, and this kind of specific computerized resource for the most part stands firm on the 40th foothold in the worldwide digital currency, really positioning in an unobtrusive manner. For decently your data, the actual positioning of each and every cryptographic money generally is vigorously dependent on its by and large current market capitalization and cost, and especially is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most state-of-the-art data on the resource being referred to. Which for the most part is genuinely critical. Likewise, to basically get in every practical sense, better in a real sense handle of the market circumstance, and most certainly grasp the in every practical sense, general bearing of the pattern, or to enlist its non-attendance, it's likewise vital to basically break down the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey. Which sort of is genuinely huge. Yesterday, on November 14th, the cost of Aave basically remained at $93.26 at the end of the everyday exchanging meeting, which is a 1.30% contrast when contrasted with the essentially current cost 7 days prior, on November 8th. The Aave market generally remained at $97.58 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members in an especially large manner. As the outcome, the cost essentially moved by 0% comparable to its fundamentally present standing. A month prior, on October 15th, Aave by and large was estimated at $63.98, which generally concurred with our cost expectation for that extremely specific period in an unobtrusive manner. Contrasted with the truly present place of Aave, it addresses a 46.95% cost move, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. At the point when it for the most part comes to digital currencies, market capitalization fills for all expectations and needs more as a mark of the coin's offer or predominance in contrast with the remainder of the market. Alongside its kind of generally speaking notoriety with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers, which basically is genuinely critical. Numerous digital currency brokers view market capitalization as an essentially key marker to be considered prior to pursuing exchanging choices, showing how likewise, to especially get an essentially better in a real sense handle of the market circumstance, and especially grasp the overall course of the pattern, or to in every way that really matters, register its non-attendance. It's likewise vital to truly dissect the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey in a fundamentally enormous manner. It truly is determined by duplicating the all-out number of coins that in every practical sense are as of now available for use, flowing stock, by the in every practical sense, current cost of Aave, which, as currently referenced, as of now truly remains at $94.02 in an especially huge manner. Considering that equation, we by and large have determined the for the most part current market capitalization of Aave to generally be at $1,376,194,950, which legitimizes its place as the 40th coin among those really present on the digital money market in an unobtrusive manner. Yesterday, on November 14th, the market capitalization of Aave generally remained at $1,364,846,173. Keep going week, on November 8th, the extremely aggregate sum of really capital gave to Aave explicitly was laid out at $1,427,583,646. The information from a month prior, enrolled on October 15th, certainly shows that Aave especially had a market capitalization of $933,275,938. Fundamentally further appearance how right now, the cost of Aave truly remains at $94.02, and this specific computerized resource for the most part stands firm on the 40th footing in the worldwide cryptographic money, truly positioning in a very significant manner. Complete stockpile focuses to the quantity of coins that truly have proactively been mined, printed, or generally made, and by and large are either flowing available or secured in engineers or alternately holders' freezing wallets, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The especially complete stockpile likewise considers any coins that explicitly have been singed, put unavailable for general use, to keep a solid expansion rate in a very significant manner. It can sort of measure up to the quantity of exceptional portions of an organization that in every practical sense is public on the financial exchange, which for the most part is very huge. The genuinely complete stockpile of Aave right now for the most part remains at 16,000,000. It relates with the kind of the best estimation of the extremely in general number of coins that in every practical sense are public on digital currency trades and certainly add to their liquidity, which really shows that essentially all-out supply focuses to the quantity of coins that certainly have proactively been mined, printed, or generally made and generally are either flowing available or secured in designers or alternately holders' sort of cool wallets, which certainly is genuinely critical. Their volume does exclude the coins that fundamentally are vested, marked in commonly brilliant agreements, secured in advanced wallets, or explicitly put unavailable for general use, showing that considering that recipe, we sort of have determined the genuinely current market capitalization of Aave to in a real sense, be it $1,376,194,950. Which legitimizes its place as the 40th coin among those very present on the cryptographic money market, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The circling supply sort of is essentially what could be compared to the drifting stockpile of offers in the financial exchange, showing how it relates with the best estimation of the fundamentally in general number of coins that in a real sense are public on cryptographic money trades and especially add to their liquidity. Which shows that especially complete stockpile focuses to the quantity of coins that in a real sense have proactively been mined, printed, or generally made and sort of are either coursing available or secured in designers or alternately holders' genuinely chilly wallets, or so they especially thought. At the present time, the circling supply of Aave basically is assessed at 14,637,606 Aave in a kind of significant manner. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Aave market basically added up to $170,322,337 in a huge manner. Yesterday, on November 14, the normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting added up to $175,483,515, which generally is genuinely huge. 7 days prior, on November 8, the power of Aave exchanging all through the meeting came to $266,574,698, truly further appearance yesterday. In November 14, the market capitalization of Aave generally remained at $1,364,846,173. Keep going week. On November 8, the extremely aggregate sum of kind of capital gave to Aave in every practical sense was laid out at $1,427,583,646. The information from a